Welcome to our tutorial on the Linear Sketch Pattern tool. Let's begin with a right-click, select Edit Sketch. Now let's activate the Linear Sketch Pattern tool. This command is also available under the Tools menu, Sketch Tools, Linear Pattern. The X and Y axes are already pre-selected in our direction control areas. Under Entities to Pattern, I'll select this circle. Distance, let's enter a value of 20 millimeters, tab. And for direction 2, let's make it 2 instances. We can use the reverse direction, or we can enter 270 degrees here. The second distance, let's make it 20 millimeters as well, tab. The last control area is Instances to Skip. Here we can select some instances to skip, if we don't need them. Let's click OK. If I want to edit the linear pattern, I highlight one of the entities and then right-click and select Edit Linear Pattern. Let's cancel out of this and exit our sketch now. And this concludes our tutorial on using the Linear Sketch Pattern command.